Hello everyone, I'm Tanvi Sharma and I welcome you all to Success Series Education. We are back with weekly dose of latest GK and current affairs. And today we are going to discuss the current affairs of June 1st week. First, see awards and honors. Indian banker Raghavan Sitaraman awarded Green Economy Visionary Award. 2 Indian origin women in Forbes Self-Made American Women list. The first one is Neerja Sethi, ranked 16 on America's richest self-made women list. Second is Jayashree Ullal, president and CEO of Arista Networks, and she's ranked 30th. Now some important days of June 2016. 1st June 2016 is celebrated as Global Day of Parents. The Global Day of Parents is observed on 1st June every year. The day was proclaimed by the UN General Assembly in 2012 to honor parents throughout the world. World Milk Day is also celebrated on 1st June 2016. It is celebrated by people all across the world on annual basis on June 1st. It is celebrated to increase the common public awareness about all aspects of natural milk, such as its natural origin, milk nutritional value, and various milk products, including its economic importance throughout the globe. 4th June 2016 is celebrated as International Day of Innocent Children Victims of Aggression. The purpose of the day is to acknowledge the pain suffered by children throughout the world who are the victims of physical, mental, and emotional abuse. This day affirms the UN's commitment to protect the rights of children. 5th June 2016 is celebrated as World Environment Day. Also known as Environment Day, Eco Day, or short form WED, is celebrated worldwide by the people aiming to protect the unique and life-nurturing nature. This year's slogan is Go Wild for Life, to raise the voice against wildlife crime and damages caused by it and take actions to prevent it. 8th June celebrated as World Oceans Day. The oceans are essential to food security and the health, survival of all life, power our climate, and are a critical part of the biosphere. The official designation of World Ocean Day is an opportunity to raise global awareness of the current challenges faced by the international community in connection with the oceans. This year's theme is Healthy Oceans, Healthy Planet. Now some sports news. Sri Lankan seam bowler Nuwan Kulsekara retires from Test cricket. Sachin Tendulkar's name to be used in Kerala's government anti-drug campaign. Commonwealth Boxing Council grants affiliation to Indian Boxing Council. Garbiñe Muguruza of Spain won 2016 French Open's women's single tennis title. Novak Djokovic beats Andy Murray to win first French Open title. IOC, that is International Olympic Committee, honors IOA, that is Indian Olympics Association Chief N. Ramachandran with Olympic Order. French Open 2016 concluded. Neeta Ambani becomes first Indian woman to be nominated for International Olympic Committee. Leander Paes and Martina Hingis won 2016 French Open mixed doubles tennis title. Rahul Johri assumes charge as first ever CEO of BCCI. Now some government news. Prime Minister releases National Disaster Management Plan to make India disaster resilient. Union government approved retirement age of doctors of Central Health Services to 65. UP government approves detailed project report of Varanasi Metro Rail. Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar lays foundation stone for Jai Jawan Awas Yojana. V. Narayan Samy sworn in as Chief Minister of Puducherry. Bihar CM Nitish Kumar launches Right to Public Grievance Redressal Act. Now international affairs. India and Morocco launches Chamber of Commerce and Industry. India-Qatar Memorandum of Understanding on Tourism approved by Union Cabinet. India-US Memorandum of Understanding on Enhancing Cooperation in Wildlife Conservation approved. USA Army Reserve Officer Danusha Barber crowned as Miss USA 2016. World Space Agencies join hand to face climate challenge. Gotthard Base Tunnel, world's longest and deepest rail tunnel, inaugurated in Switzerland. German Parliament passes resolution recognizing massacre of Armenians as genocide. World's first 3D printed aircraft Thor displayed at International Aerospace Exhibition. Now science and technology news. Scientists identified a process to remove DNA molecule from X-Files. Astrophysicists discover Canarias Einstein ring in space. Asia's largest technology trade show Computex started in Taipei. NASA scientists find 39 unreported human-made sources of toxic sulfur dioxide emissions. Sulfur dioxide, that is SO2, is one of the 6 air pollutants regulated by US Environmental Protection Agency. Agencies concerned with monitoring these air pollutants need to locate the sources first in order to measure and moderate them. The recent study managed to identify the hotspots where unreported toxic air pollutants are coming from. Now the Did You Know section. Did you know Orissa becomes first Indian state to give pension and food benefits to transgender? Indus Valley civilization is 8,000 years old according to IIT Kharagpur research. Himachal Pradesh becomes first state to launch green concept-based state data center. Now the obituary column. Muhammad Ali, the greatest boxer, dies at the age of 74. Noted comedian Razak Khan passed away. The miscellaneous information. Draft National Water Framework Bill 2016 released. Exercise Desert Eagle 2nd concluded. Diya Mirza named ambassador for Swachh Sathi program. Ashok Ganpati appointed as director of Airtel Business. Guwahati declares Gangetic River dolphin as its city animal. India and World Bank sign agreement to improve efficiency and attractiveness of city bus service. Ashok Lavasa designated as Finance Secretary. Fire breaks out at Central Ammunition Depot, Pulgaon. Former Delhi Police Commissioner B.S. Basi appointed UPSC member. PM Modi, Ghani inaugurates Afghan-India Friendship Dam. Asia's first GIPS vulture reintroduction program launched. Naveen Agrawal appointed DG of National Anti-Doping Agency. P. Dhanpal re-elected as Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly Speaker. Singapore International Arbitration Center to open representative office at Gift City. P. Sri Ramakrishnan elected as Speaker of Kerala Legislative Assembly. India-Tunisia signed Memorandum of Understanding for Cooperation in IT and Handicraft sectors. N.K. Chhari takes over as MD of State Bank of Mysore. Assam Ease of Doing Business Bill 2016 passed by State Assembly. India-Qatar inked 7 agreements to boost cooperation. The Unseen Indira Gandhi, authored by Dr. K.P. Mathur, released. Union Cabinet approves setting up of Indian Post Payments Bank. This is it for this week. Do not forget to hit the like button if you like the video. And for more such videos, do subscribe to our channel Success Series Education. Thank you.